Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at blackheads. And stick around because I'm going to show you blackhead removal tools at the end of the video. Also, stick around as we discuss this pop. A comedo is a clogged hair follicle in the skin. Keratin combines with oil to block the follicle. A comedo can be open or closed by skin and occur with or without acne. Let's look at some blackhead and pimple popping examples. Now, let's look at this pimple pop. It appears to be an infection, and for reference, it is more of a closed comedone than an open one. That means it isn't a blackhead at all. Now, let's look at some pimple popper tools. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand-inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.